Safety Toolbox Talk number 36. On-site emergency and off-site emergency. Emergency is controlled by own sources. The affected area only is the factory area. External agency not involved like district, local government, officials, police, railway, neighboring factories. Example, leakage of chemicals, liquid and gases, fire explosion, snake bite, worker unconscious, chemical splash, spillage of chemical. The emergency cannot be controlled by own sources. The affected area can involve outside of factory area. Controlling action will be done by off-site team. Controlling committee chairman is district collector. Example, natural calamities like storm, food, earthquake etc. Thank you.